Welcome. In this video, we'll be going over how to mark a message as unread on the Discord app for PC with the latest update. This feature is super handy if you want to revisit important messages later without losing track of them. Let's get started. First, open up your Discord app on your computer. Once Discord launches, navigate to the conversation where you received the message you want to mark as unread. This can be either a direct message from a friend or a message inside a server channel. After you've opened the chat, simply find the exact message you want to mark. Take your mouse and hover over that message. As you do this, a small menu with icons will appear in the upper right corner of the message. From there, look for the three dots icon. This is the More Options button, and it contains some additional actions you can take on that specific message. Click on those three dots, and you'll see a list of different options pop up. Among them, you should now find the option labeled Mark Unread. Go ahead and select it. As soon as you click it, that entire conversation will immediately show up with a new unread notification, and Discord will place a line in the chat to indicate the point you marked it unread from. This makes it very simple to return later and quickly find where you left off. This feature is perfect if someone sends you information that you don't want to forget about, or if you're too busy to reply right away but want to make sure you don't lose track of the message. Instead of leaving Discord and risking it slipping your mind, you can just mark it unread to get back to it later. So to quickly recap, open the Discord app, open the chat you want, hover over the message, click on the three dots, and hit Mark Unread. That's all it takes. And there you have it. Now you know how to mark messages as unread on Discord PC with the latest update. This small but powerful feature can really help you stay more organized and engaged in your conversations without missing anything important.